Welcome back to TechKidFX for another Apecoin price prediction update, and in this video I'll be giving you the latest developments that have been happening here on the Apecoin chart, which at the time of this recording has managed to get above the 20-day MA here on the 4-hour chart, which is now acting as support for us to continue pushing even higher. We have also fully maximized our red target area down here in the formation of this wave 4 by giving us a low at around the $4.9 mark, and there are chances that we might continue pushing even higher, obeying the Elliot wave structures, where I'm expecting a massive bounce to the upside in the formation of this wave 5, and also give us a break above the key area of resistance at around the $6 mark. And before I give you my next price targets to the upside in the formation of this wave 5, first give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and also check out the channel membership, and allow me to continue with the video here on the 4-hour chart by first giving you a quick recap of what has been happening, where you can see that Apecoin, after making its low at around the $2.5976 mark, we started a massive bounce to the upside, obeying the Elliot wave structures, where you can see that I have this Elliot wave structure in red, having the wave 5 making its peak at around the $4.6 mark, and also completing a larger Elliot wave count 1 to the upside. And after seeing the formation of a larger Elliot wave count 1, we expected the formation of a larger Elliot wave count 2, having that ABC corrective structure fully maximizing our target areas in the formation of that wave 2, before we can start a massive bounce to the upside in the formation of this wave 3, which we have seen over here. Also seen a 5-wave structure to the upside in the formation of that wave 3, and given us a peak at around the $6.42 mark, completing the formation of that larger Elliot wave count 3. And after seeing the formation of that wave 3, we expected the formation of a larger Elliot wave count 4, and using the Fibonacci's, connecting them from the low of the first wave, that is the wave 2, to the high of that wave 3, that gives me a minimum retracement area in the formation of that wave 4 between the fib level 0.382 and the fib level 0.5, and that is between the $5.2202 mark and the $4.8465 mark. And you can see we have fully maximized our red target area down here in the formation of that wave 4, and now I'm expecting another explosive move to the upside in the formation of this wave 5, and sketching out a minimum target area to the upside in the formation of that wave 5 by connecting the trend based Fibonacci from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, then dragging the fibs to the high of that wave 3. That gives me a minimum target area to the upside in the formation of that wave 5 at the fib level 0.618, and that is at around the $7.6633 mark, and that is the minimum that I'm expecting that wave 5 to the upside to do, where I'm also expecting to see a 5-wave structure in formation because of the impulsive nature in the formation of that wave 5, having that Elliot wave structure in red, completing the formation of that wave 5. That is, after seeing the formation of that wave 5, I'll be expecting that to complete an even larger Elliot wave count 5 to the upside. And for that move to play out, I'm expecting Apecoin to continue holding above the 20-day MA here on the 4-hour chart. And since we are trading above the 20-day MA, then there are chances that soon we might be able to get a move that could be explosive, giving us a bounce back to the key area of resistance at around the $6 mark. And in case we manage to break above that key area of resistance, then I'll be expecting a retest of that key area of resistance. And once the retest is in and a success, then we can continue pushing even higher in the formation of that wave 5. And once the retest is in, then I'll be watching the high that we made in the formation of this wave 3 at around the $6.42 mark, because a break above the wave 3 high will be enough confirmation that whatever we are seeing over here is the massive bounce to the upside in the formation of that wave 5, and also fully maximize our target areas, obeying the Elliot wave structures. And on the worst case scenario, that can only happen in case there is a negative impact on the market and we continue seeing maybe a crash in the whole crypto market, then there are chances of losing the 20-day MA, continue unlocking lower prices, get to the lower side of this target area that I have right here, and maybe lose the fib level 0.5, and I'll be expecting the fib level 0.618, which is the next target area, to hold before we can expect another massive bounce to the upside in the formation of that wave 5. But for me, I'm positive that Apecoin has seen the low for this 4th wave over here, and there are chances that very soon we are going to start that bounce to the upside, obeying the Elliot wave structures, and also fully maximize our target areas in the formation of that wave 5. And also taking a look at the indicators here on the RSI, we are trading at around the 48 mark, meaning we have massive room for us on the RSI to fully support higher prices in the formation of that wave 5. And also taking a look at the MACD, we have been able to print a bullish cross, fully supporting higher prices in the formation of that wave 5. So let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I'll be keeping you updated.